Here we have Weswox make tissue embedding center. This control panel is touch enabled. It has a 4 independent heating zone. One is paraffin tank. It has a capacity of 3 liters. Then we have a heating nozzle and then work plate and a mold warmer. We can preserve the molds and cassettes here. Here we have a 2 forceps holder. We can drain the wax through this tap as well as foot switch. We have a waste tray for spilled wax, and we have a storage space for tissue molds and cassettes. This control panel is touch enabled. As we can see, it's showing the current temperature of all 4 zones. Machine working status. Machine is working in manual mode, as well as we can run in automatic mode. In automatic mode, machine will work accordingly set time. We can set the time for entire week, what time machine should be on and what time it should be off. So we can done the setting for time here. Just tap the menu and we will find this page. Here we can see the time setting for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, and next page will appear with Friday, Saturday and Sunday. After that, we can set the real-time clock here. Then this is a main screen, and we can see the temperature, and above on the top of the screen we can find the day and date and on time and off time. Right, this time machine is in manual mode. If we want to run in automatic mode, just tap the button and machine will off if the time is set. Just tap the drain on. To drain the wax. We have a light for better visibility of tissue. Here we can set the temperature for all 4 zones by clicking the value. Now this keypad will be appear, and then we can feed the value, then press enter to confirm.